Hey everyone, Lenny Bonds here from Purposely Pixel, and I'm actually in Fort Lauderdale, Florida, filming with my Pixel 6 Pro. This is the front-facing camera, 60 frames a second, so let me know what you think. It's Thanksgiving weekend, so happy Thanksgiving everyone. And I'm just going to share some pictures and videos of my trip out in Florida using the Pixel 6 Pro. And the best device that you could have is the device that's in your pocket. So you let me know if the Pixel 6 Pro does the job in terms of video and pictures, and would you take it away on vacation and leave a standalone camera home? So you let me know. I'm gonna switch over to the back camera at 4K 60 frames, and you let me know what you think. Okay everyone, this is the back camera, 4K 60 frames per second. This is the Google Pixel. Checking out the scenery. Let me know how it transitions from light to dark. It's actually cloudy here in Florida. It hasn't been the best weather. Let's see how this focuses. Come up close. You let me know your thoughts. And again, this is just to show you, right? We're here out in Florida, walking around. Let's say I'm out with my family and we're doing things. Just wanted to test to see if this camera is worth the actual investment and worth it to take away on vacation. But you guys are going to be the judge. It's not my thoughts, it's your thoughts. That's what I want to see. So here we are, scanning a tree right here. Zoom in. It's like a 9-time zoom. 2-time zoom. Back to regular. So you let me know your thoughts on the Pixel 6 Pro video, and I'm going to be sharing certain places that I've been to. So I'm in Fort Lauderdale, Coconut Creek area right now. This is where my in-laws live. It's a beautiful area. I'll show you some pictures of me at Universal Studio and video, and I'll let you know in the video when we're there. And also I went down to Disney Springs, which was a chilly 50 degrees out in Florida. So once again, this is Lenny Bond from Purposely Pixel. If you like this video or if you find it worthwhile, just hit that like button. So let's get into the video. So that's the pictures and videos that I took on my trip to Florida. Let me know in the comments below. If you're new to this channel, once again, hit that subscribe button. If you find this video interesting or if it helps you in any way, hit that like button. This is Lenny Bond signing off from Purposely Pixel.